Okay, we're here on our fourth strip on the first page of our practice strips for what we did in class. Okay, again, I see a nice regular rhythm here as I go through the strip. I see two bumps in here, so one is the T and the other one is the P wave. P wave has a little bump on the top of it. Ignore that. What you're seeing there is the first little bump is the right atria and the second little bump is the left atria. Usually they're simultaneous, but sometimes they can be split apart like that. No big deal. Okay, let's get some measurements here. Okay. Let's find a nice clear one. Searching. Oh, we can just take this first one here. Okay. This is the end of our T wave. This is a fairly fast rhythm. P wave starts right about there, and it ends right about there. So, 1, 2, 3 little boxes, and maybe a hair. So I'll call it 3.5 little boxes. Okay, and we're going to write 3.5 times 0.04 is going to give us 0.14. So write 0.14 in that blank. All right, let's look at our QRSs here. All right, he does try to have a little Q wave. I can see these little Q waves, some of the beats, depending on how he's breathing and how he's moving, sometimes they show up a little bit. So let's blow it up a little more. Okay. All right, this Q wave starts right about that little line, that dot there, and the S, go away. That S wave ends right about there. That's going to give me a measurement of about 2 little boxes, and I'm going to call that 0.08. Back up here a little bit, and we're going to write 0.08 here. A nice, perfectly normal rhythm. Okay. Regularity. Seems pretty regular. Seems really regular. Okay. Let's double check that. We take our calipers from here and go to here. Find out what that measurement is. Okay. Move the calipers. Start here and go here. Was that the same? Again, from here to here, and from here to here, and here to here, and here, all the way down to the other end of the strip. Do not just glance and assume anything, okay? So you're double checking, and you get all the way down the strips, and it is regular, okay? So in our regularity box, write regular. Okay, how do we figure out heart rates in regular rhythms? Well, you can take any two of these R waves and find out how many little boxes are in between. All right, since they're all regular, it really doesn't matter which one I pick. I like ones that land on lines. Is this going to cooperate with me? Yes. Aha, here we go. Here's one that lands on a line for convenience sake. There's 5 little boxes, 10 little boxes, and one more is 11. That should give me a heart rate right around 143. Wow, he's chopping around here, isn't he? Okay, so in my analysis, this is a fairly fast rhythm. He has P waves. The P waves are there every single time. He has nice QRSs. P's are always in front of the QRS. Everything seems to be fine. So I would call this here sinus, but it's fast, so sinus tachycardia.